What's up, everybody? And we got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and we are going to go off-roading. As you can tell, we got the 4Runner stuck, but we'll get that out. Enjoy this video and keep watching at the end where we show you what mounts we used and how we attached this Osmo Pocket 3 to do so good on the crazy bumpy conditions.
Dude, this thing, it's still tracking that far.
All right, so we got this Xterra right here that literally had nothing wrong with it. It's a clean title, just had a bad transmission, and we just so happen to have a remanufactured transmission sitting on our shelf. Let's go ahead and take this car to Zach real quick. He's eating a burrito, but he's not really on lunch, so we're gonna get him. How's that burrito tasting?
Delicious.
It's amazing, huh?
Amazing.
Best burritos are the ones you get when you're not on lunch. Those are the best burritos. I think we gotta put some wheels on this thing. Take it to Prairie City today?
Let's go have fun.
Yeah?
Oh, you don't want the red?
No. I feel like that's just the red with the green?
It's tan. It's not green.
Oh, kind of green.
It's just the new, it's like the new style logo. Oh,
Yeah.
This one too.
We could probably just pop this one off. I like those tires.
Those are nice. Those are like off-road tires.
Yeah.
Just like daily tires.
Yeah, we'll pop these off and put these on these and throw these on the Xterra. Ooh, getting it looking nice and shiny before we get it all dirty.
All dirty.
So we've been talking about bringing this Xterra out, but we couldn't take it out with some weenie tires. And we can't sell it with those weenie tires either, so they're going to be for sale with these nice ones. These are like 2022 Frontier wheels.
You smell this though? It smells like bubblegum.
Does it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should stop smelling it. So we're going to take the runner out.
Let's go.
Because he just got some new 35s on this baby. So beefy. And we just got some somethings on this baby. Some hand-me-downs on this baby. Let's see which one does better. What do you guys think? That or this?
The giggle, the hide.
So obviously it's not an equivalent battle, but this is not a battle. We're just going out with the shop, taking this out, testing the Xterra out with the brand new 4x4 trans. I mean, we have to test the transmission out, so I mean, can't just sell the car without testing it.
Testing.
So we just got to Prairie City, and if you don't know what Prairie City is, it's literally $5 and you can do anything in the dirt, off-road,
Whatever you want.
literally anything you want. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. Ed's right behind us, and we're gonna hit the dirt and see how this Xterra actually does.
Just don't, you can't stop. Oh, see, that was mellow.
All right, so this place is sick, but I don't think we're gonna make it past this right here. Where's my phone? Oh, it's inside.
Look, we got this.
Oh, yeah,
We're good.
Save you if we get stuck.
We're good.
We're good.
If we get stuck.
Yeah, this place is wild, and the car looks great.
I'm not worried about this little piece right here, huh?
Wait,
Right through that.
yeah, no, we would not go right through
Let me
that.
drive through it. Why not?
Let's drive through it with what?
The Xterra.
Yeah, no.
Why?
I'll flood the motor.
Chicken.
It's a beautiful day though.
Go up this way. I would run that. We run up this way. Go on the side. Isn't that van right there?
That van didn't make it, bro. Wait, you're going inside?
Yeah, we're going in.
Bro, you guys are wild. Go
You're gonna
take.
hug the right side.
Okay.
Huh? You're good. Just go.
All right, hug that right side. Hey, Ed, just wait, I'm coming. move anymore.
No, we're trying to crawl over the rut. So it's just walking down the side of it. Yeah.
It's going easy.
Huh?
Are we just gonna get stuck there?
Yeah, we were driving over the rut. So see how there's that centerpiece?
Yeah.
We were trying to drive over that.
Oh yeah, make that gap. Okay, now stop. Go forward. Keep rocking, and then we'll put that plank under it right there.
Oh, that could work though.
I know, we just gotta get a bunch under there.
Come on, you dude.
Don't dig. Don't dig. A little bit more.
Please tell me that's Oh yeah! 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 Dude, now smells like bungee. I'm getting out of this. It's an L limiter.
I've never known this whole time of having an Xterra that there was a single secret compartment right there. That's wild.
I've never seen that before.
This thing looks so good right now. That changed the look so much. It almost makes me want to keep it.
Oh god.
You guys are going to get a little background on how we make some of our videos and what we're doing. It takes a little bit too much people right now, but Zach, he's in just media mode too, so
Just media mode. Ready to film.
alright. Yeah, if you see these cars from before to now, this one was a vandalized car, wasn't even wrecked. The windshield got replaced and the sunroof, and we changed the hood. But nothing was painted, and then this one was sideswiped. Zach changed the fender, door, and what else?
I think sideswipe is even a kind of a heavy term. That literally this fender was like pushed in right here. It wasn't like sideswipe.
That's
like,
about
literally,
it.
Like tiny damage.
And we had everything in the same color, and the clear coat though. Oh my.
Yeah, you can still kind of see it because obviously this isn't going to go away because this is like brand new paint and this is old paint, but
Yeah, looks better though. Looks much better.
If you clear brought your stuff, don't let it sit for like 7 years on there and just get baked on and caramelized on.
Yeah, because
It'll take 2 days to get off.
2 days of going ham. This thing is not moving anywhere. Okay, you can obviously mount it on the side. I like to mount it like here, only because of the fact that it's, as you can tell, no dirt kicked this way, no rocks kicked that way, more protection and no wind, keeping this gimbal really solid. Make sure to check out Nifty Network, where we're showing you guys all the unboxings and how-tos on how to create your automotive creative content and how to fix your own cars. All the links are down below for these mounts that we used. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below